Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Keepers Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Hyundai Getz SX 5-door hatch, stock reference number 4749. This shape runs from the 10th month 2005 through to the 9th month 2011. It has a G4ED 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4ED 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight. Bonnet has 3 small dents. We have the left hand headlight, front bumper cover. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 14-inch steel rims, but left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror, left front door has multiple small dents. Left rear door has 2 dents. Left rear, 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate has a small fold along the bottom edge. Right hand tail light. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Does have faded paint along the top edge, as does the front. Front has 3 small dents. Right hand side, right power door mirror. Right guard has a little bit of faded paint, no other damage. And right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, MP3 type, right hand sun visor, sorry, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.